of dinosaur fossils has always provided important information on the life and lifestyle of the animal. These fossils provide information on the evolution of existing bird species, which are known to be a descendant of theropod dinosaurs. Papers were published about the preservation of feathers from both avian and non-avian dinosaurs that were found in northeastern China. The scientists who found these fossils observed two main feather types in both birds and theropod dinosaurs. There were pernicious feathers, which contain a central shaft and lateral veins, and also integumentary filaments, which resemble small downy feathers. Authors of this article based their research on answering two questions. The first question was, do the filament-like structures seen in the fossils have structural similarities to the feathers of modern birds? And the second question was, what does the ultrastructure of these fossilized filaments look like? The method of scanning electron microscopy was used to examine the well-preserved fossils and find the details of the structures at submicron levels. The study of feathered dinosaurs has led to interpretations about the origin of flight and evolution of birds. Controversy has occurred in the scientific literature regarding whether the fossilized structures that appear like feathers were actually feathers. Scientists argued that the structures that were found were actually partially degraded dermal collagen fibers. And that the pernicious and integumentary feathers contain melanosomes, which are organelles found in pigment cells that are responsible for the color of bird feathers. The melanosomes that were found in the fossils were similar to those in the feathers from living birds, but to confirm that these minuscule bodies were definitely melanosomes instead of bacteria that had been preserved during fossilization, they showed that the fossil's melanosomes were located in the same parts of the feathers that they were in bird feathers. Authors' investigation showed that the previously stated sub-micrometer-sized bodies were, in fact, melanosomes, and not preserved bacteria. These analyses also support the observation that the filamentous structures in the fossils previously mentioned were indeed feathers and not collagen fibers. Melanosom structures were categorized as eumelasomes, which provide grey-black coloration. They were also categorized as phaeomelasomes, which provide red, brown, and yellow colorations in bird feathers. From the patterning that were found in these structures, they estimated that the fossil they analyzed could have had black and rosette-colored feathers. The observation of melanosomes in the fossils of these dinosaurs not only confirms the existence of feathers in dinosaurs, but also provides a picture of what colors these animals were when they were alive. Also, the color patterns and structure of these feathers may be helpful in providing insight into the functions of feathers and can give an indication of how dinosaurs lived and how they evolved into a variety of birds that are alive today.
There were no updated articles found for this particular journal article because it was published in 2010, which is quite recent for any new ideas on the concept to come out. But the article has been cited 3 times.